I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be.
Hi guys, good morning. All fresh and clean. Not all, but I mean this will do until the cleaners come. I don't have an appointment until another 2 weeks, and nobody talks about the intermittent cleaning one has to do even when you do have cleaners. Our cleaners come like every 4 weeks, but obviously I'm not going to leave all the hand marks on my microwave and my dishwasher and my fridge for 4 weeks. So I try to clean it like here and there, and also obviously clean up after the kids. So it's a Monday, they're all out the door. Well, both of them. I feel like cleaning my space is a way of appreciating God for the space he has given me, and this has always been my mindset even when I was in my dormitory as a secondary school girl, and in my room as a teenager. This has just always been my mindset. So like that's why me and dirty spaces cannot cohabitate. I just feel like it shows ungratefulness if I let this space he has given me to just be untidy day after day after day. Don't get me wrong, I know that life be lifing and sometimes you can't even clean up, but to now live it consistently, like to not even prioritize it to a place where you're actually forced to do it regularly, personally I think it shows ingratitude, whatever. I haven't said that I'm going to work out now. That's supposed to be the next agenda, but let me tell you about my time of fellowship this morning. So I tried to do my personal quiet time before anybody wakes up, before the kids, before my husband wakes up. And when I tell you, let me know actually if you like to see my 6 a.m. morning routine in the comments below. I've tried to make it 6 a.m. now. Some days when I can't make it, I do it after the kids go to school. But I found out that getting ahead of it before everybody wakes up is actually, like, my mind is not in the place where it's already preoccupied and racing for the day and I'm distracted already. It's just that fresh out of bed, alone time with God. And to the glory of God, I've been staying consistent for a while now. So let me know if you like to see that in the comments as well. But before I go work out, I brought down these pictures to put in our family album, and I'm just looking at the personality of my 2 kids. I think I showed you guys briefly yesterday. What face is that Ovia is making? Please, somebody help me. What face is that? That boy is a whole lot of energy. And even the one that took it, the sister was so blurry. It just wanted to be out of that boots. And then I found this in one of Soteria's art and crafting school. I'm going to put it. She got like counting. I said, but are you people counting numbers? The number that you can count to how many? You people are just counting it in kindergarten. And that's the thing with the school system here. If she was in Nigeria, maybe she'd probably in primary 2 now. Okay, maybe that's a bit exaggerated. I think I started school at 3, so at like 5 I was in primary 1, right? But anyway, at primary 1 I don't think they were teaching us 1 to 10, 1 to 100, but we're in the West. It is what it is. When we were at this Chuck E. Cheese yesterday, I don't know if I recorded it, but a couple walked up to my husband and asked them to take pictures. They had some costume on. Obviously it's their kid's birthday. And so PJ helped them, and then they gave us party packs. But guys, guess what? I know I just made a mess, but I'm like, how can you fill 90% of a party pack with candy? How? I need to find a way to put this candy away, because if I leave it here, then my kids are going to obviously want it. Soteria especially. Actually, Tovia especially, because Soteria is not much of a sweet tooth. So I'm going to just, at least they managed to give us some unicorns that we love. But anyway, and that's the thing. See, this video I want to make, I should get at it. Because they had costume on. Obviously, they were also in the spirit of Halloween. And I feel like maybe another Christian will be like, oh no, we don't want your party pack. Oh no, we can't even take your pictures, because we don't celebrate Halloween, obviously, and stuff. But I feel like a lot of times we as Christians, we become Christian Pharisees. Something that my pastor mentioned in church yesterday. And it's the fact that you've forgotten that fundamentally it is love that you need to draw people into the kingdom, and not by just casting them away. Like, obviously I don't even know if these guys are Christian, but whether or not they understand whatever Halloween is and the fact that we don't associate with it as Christians, it's just the fact that there was absolutely no discrimination yesterday, or no, oh, we should not be with these guys or whatever. Maybe when I make that video I'll go more in details, but yeah. Oh, this is cute though. It's like a hair clip for kids, at least. So Terry has been wearing one clip every day, so I make her choose her colors in the morning. So apart from the beads I put in her locks, she also puts like a bow. Why do I have that on my head? I actually have that. I found it in my kids' toy, so I just popped it on my head. This is what I should be wearing for my workouts. And before the kids left this morning, my husband anointed all of us. We anoint every week, the start of every week, which I'm here for. Pop this somewhere in the fridge. Yeah, let's go work out. I'm going to be jamming to some music. I mean, while messaging will get breath. I'm so excited. Like, I think for me, it's just the fact that there are many people I pray for, whether I know them personally or not. I follow messaging who we're familiar, we say hi every now and then. But I'm just saying, like, there's so many people that whether or not I know them personally, I say words of prayers for them in my like private room when their names come to mind. Or it's just because they're celebrities, you think about them sometimes. And to see the fruit of those prayers and manifestations, it just makes me happy. Let me go wear my shoes and get some workout in.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh.
Kadosh, 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 Kadosh is the Lamb of God that sits upon the throne. Hi guys, so just took a bath, and you guys remember I said that chlorine from my swim class actually burnt my face. So I still have a tad bit here, but this one is the most obvious one. Like, I don't believe it, but I want to show you guys a few PR things that I received yesterday. I brought some from my US address, and I also met some at the doorstep when we came back. So I'm just going to show you guys a few of those. I have so much to do today. Today is an admin day for me. I'm literally just like in sweatpants and a comfortable tee. And I also wanted to talk about the fact that, you know how phones can be so distracting. Like, it happens to the best of us. I'm not even going to lie and say, oh, I've hacked it. I feel like I need to actually take my phone and go through it in my bathroom for like the next 3 or 4 hours that I have, so that I can focus solely on work. Because even in the last 1 hour between when I had my exercise done and had a shower, like, I picked up my phone to check Instagram like 3 or 4 times. Let's get to these PR things first. So this is a bunch of clothes for Soteria. I don't have to go into the details, but this clothes, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. The quality of this is so good. It's from a brand called Tiny Tribe. Like, so they are Australia based, and when I tell you that I so much love the quality of this clothes, I'm going to show you this set. It's not like it's my favorite, they're all my favorites, but look at this one, like, and it has a blouse. Obviously for Soteria now, she has like uniform, but over the weekends, in fact, we have a party coming this weekend, and I bet you this is what she's gonna wear. Is that a good idea because of this white? But obviously church, you know, weekend outings, this is just so good. And obviously I sized up. I picked a size 7 for her, even though she currently wears 6. Well, to be fair, some of her school clothes are actually 7, so that, you know, she can wear through this year and next year as well. I really love the quality. Thank you so much, Tiny Tribe. Yeah, this is so cool. So cool. However, for Tovia, I think they kind of thought that maybe it was my error or their own error. They sent for girls, and sorry, my 3T is a boy. So Toby actually wears like 2T to 3T, but I can see that they also sent like all the 3T they sent are for girls. In fact, this is 18 to 24 months, and I don't think this is a boy's outfit. Obviously, what gave it away was even this other one. So they had sent one for Soteria, and then they sent another one in 3T. So I knew that, oh, they probably thought I have 2 girls. So I'll probably send those to my sister. Not even probably, I'll send those to my sister, whose second daughter is just 3 months younger than Tovia. Like, look at this one. I was even telling my husband that this one looks like it's for a boy because of this like cut. I don't know if you guys can see that diaper cut, but it was like, oh, he thinks that girls still have that cut just because of diapers at that age. And I'm like, can't a boy wear this? Are you sure a boy can't wear this? He's like, not, the color is not a problem, but he thinks the design on it is a problem. What do you guys think? It's like, oh, it's a floral design, and he thinks that's a girl's design. So I'm like, oh, my boy. And actually, I should reach out to the brand to let them know. So maybe they'll send another set for Tovia. And this as well. But I know that this will look cute on my niece so much, like so much. I already can see that. So that's PR1. Thank you so much, Tiny Tribe. I'm going to try to link some of these things in my story, so if you want to check them out. But the quality of this are so good, and I can tell that, you know, Soteria finna be pulls it out like. But anyway, I'm also on the PR list for Polo Ralph. So I've been getting a lot of PR stuff for them, but this is specifically Ralph Lauren fragrances. But they sent this bag, which is so good because the kids have a diaper bag that we take outside. Soteria has her own school bag, and Tovia is one bag we brought from Nigeria that my boy has been taking to daycare, because I didn't want to take that diaper bag to daycare every day so that it won't like get spoiled or whatever. So there's one bag, I think it's a Tommy Hilfiger bag. My husband has had it since maybe since he was a teenager. I don't even know where he brought it from, but when this came, I'm like, oh, that makes sense. I really love it. It doesn't have a zipper, he has like an opening like that, and obviously this style, which works just fine. So it's change of clothes, it's bottles. Let me say it here, if your kids go to daycare, if you don't mind, then you don't have to ask. But if you do mind and they're in North America, if you do mind, then make sure you ask the daycare what kind of water they give them. Because talking of Tovia's school stuff, I just thought to say that we usually get like a, what's it called, a flask. We take a flask of water to daycare, because the week it started, I think randomly one day I just saw the sight of them giving him tap water, refilling his bottle with tap water, and I'm like, no, even at home we don't drink tap water, so that works out fine. And this is another one from Azaro Perfumes. So perfumes yes, perfumes. So fun fact, I'm on the PR for Polo by Ralph, I'm on the PR for Azaro, but they are kind of all linked together. So when any of the brands like is signed, different designers signed under one PR company, right? So whenever any of their brands have any PR, they just send it out to me, and I'm not obligated to post, but I'm just showing you because obviously this all came in yesterday. So this is one of the perfumes, Azaro. When I tell you guys, look guys, when I tell you that there's still a bit of residue, and I've walked out and I've showered, my husband sprayed this on my hand yesterday. My husband said this is like rich man money's perfume. It is so good. Oh my goodness. I haven't obviously checked all the other ones. There's Polo Red, there's Polo Blue, and there's this other one that seems like a very feminine perfume called Replica. I haven't opened all those ones. In fact, I'm actually going to gift these two out, just because obviously I don't want to hoard everything that I get. So I'm going to give these two out. I already know the people I'm going to give it to, and then I'm giving this to my husband. Obviously loves it, but by the time I open this as well, I'm going to see if it's great. That's it PR wise. Okay, I actually have this, but this is for a brand walk. This too are for a brand walk. It's reusable diapers. I know that is what we grew up using, but obviously who has time to be washing and stuff. But this one, apart from the fact that they are very sustainably made, it's also the fact that like it is blowout proof. But it's an Instagram campaign, it's an Instagram ad that I need to work on this week. And also these are deliveries for another brand work. There are like 3 sets coming, 3 more sets, so I'm just waiting for those to come before I do the work. So yeah, that's it. Over the next couple of days there are going to be so much deliveries in this house, just because obviously I'm ordering things for my birthday. I ordered some things from ASOS, so I'm waiting for those to come. For the house, I ordered some things that I'm excited to show you guys. But yeah, so let me clear this place and get to this work data that I have. I'll probably make a smoothie or something, or oats or something, and get on with my work. But on that note, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you for watching. Love you. God bless you. God keep you. God causes his face to shine upon you and give you peace. Love you all. Bye.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.